So in this video, I want to talk about fear in the business. When you have fear that you cannot pay the rent, if you have fear that you are in a financial unstable situation where you think, like I said, not paying rent, not paying for food, not paying for certain things, so your life and your business can go on, and how you can use this fear and turn it into one of the best months of making one of the most amount of money out of this situation, and making even more money than you are currently in the situation where you are in the current situation, that you make even more money than in the past. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miguel. I scaled my agency past $10,000 per month and made already more money than my teacher back in the days. Then I could finally drop out of school and move towards Dubai when I was like 22, something like this. And today I'm on the way to scale towards $100,000 per month with my marketing agency, with my appointment generation agency. So I had the situation where I had a couple of clients, and these clients were paying me stable, something about between 3 and 10 grand per month. Okay. And I was in a situation where I was not really focusing on certain things. I had a $10,000 a month. Then I was dropping off between 3 and 5, something like this. And this scarcity got me in a situation where I was like, if I don't make this happen in the next 1.5 months, I cannot pay my rent. Okay. What I've done then was there was no other way than finding a solution. So I was in this fear mode. I was in this, I need to find a solution. There's no way out. So I was kind of with my back towards the wall. I just need to find a solution. That's it. And this situation, you shouldn't be all the time in the fear, but if you recognize and if you understand that there's no other way than you finding a solution, then you will find a solution. And if you believe in yourself, because in these situations, if you believe in yourself and you're just calm and you're just writing things down where you know, hey, this is going to get me towards the next step. This is a solution, what I can do. You taking a look at all of your possibilities and you work harder. And then I thought like, okay, because what I've done then, I ran paid ads, I got clients, I got setting calls. Now I have the closing calls. And eventually there's a deal volume of, again, $10,000 per month. I was like, what the fuck? How interesting is it that I was stumbling upon between these $3,000 and $6,000, $5,000 per month. The only thing which got me again towards possibilities of $10,000 per month was fear, and fear of that this main client is jumping off. So where I was in a cushy environment where I had a contract signed, didn't need to work that much, could enjoy my life here in Dubai, go towards the sauna and traveling around, going through the US, going to Germany, Poland, just flying around, having a cushy and luxury life, kind of. Not the crazy luxury life, not flying business class, but just doing the fuck I want. You know, I was already in this level where I could do whatever I want. I didn't have a boss. I could do whatever I want. So recognizing this situation, that being in this cushy environment, and the only thing got me out of there and got me towards even way higher months, understanding that I just need to do certain things, and got me towards 10 immediately again. I was like, what the fuck? I was in a cab and I was calculating the possibilities I have at the moment, and not even spending that much in paid advertisements. I was like, this fast? In only 6-7 days maybe? Spending a couple $100 in paid ads and getting so many setting calls? Come on. So what is the learning out of this? If you're in a cushy environment at the moment, and you're trying kind of to hit $10,000 per month, you most probably don't want this $10,000 per month so hard, because if you would already hit it. Simple. Meaning, if you really want to scale, you need to use paid ads. You can do, yes, cold outbound, and you can also scale with cold email, cold DMs, but the easiest and fastest way, if you have a couple of grand laying around on your bank account and you know, hey, I can spend $300 in ads, this is the fastest growth of landing immediate appointments. I had an example. There was a situation where I ran ads accidentally in the wrong location. which was here in the UAE. And I got like one lead, second lead after 30 minutes, 1 hour approximately. I immediately called them up, put them into a setting call. I was like, what just happened? I just spent $50 or something and immediately generated a setting call. I was like, this is life-changing. I hope this gave you the motivation to change something in your situation. If you have any questions, you can drop me a DM on Instagram and just ask me any questions. If you want to scale towards these $10,000 per month, if you don't want to burn money into paid ads, if you just want to walk a path and just do what's already working so you don't spend time, you don't waste time, and you don't waste money, and you don't waste your life opportunity, then just click the first link in the description. I explain exactly how to get there and how we might help you and get you towards these consistent $5,000 plus $10,000 per month. If you like this video, then most probably we will see each other in another YouTube video. Bye-bye.